That one in the back, that's going in there.
Okay.
These are going in the storage. That one is going in the building.
You must be exhausted.
I am.
Now, where do you have to go now? You'll go home, right?
I'm going to take those to the storage. Yes, that's my cell phone number. Yes. Yes, yes. Do you need that?
You're like, she's going to take that machine out of my...
No way. No way. Yes. Okay. Okay, got you. Got you, got you, got you. Now let me just take a look at the space. Yeah, I've seen it before. Is there a plug over there?
Yeah. It's behind the freezer.
Over there? Okay, that should be fine.
You think there was enough room, right?
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
that should be enough space.
There you go.
This morning.
Oh, wow.
I left at 11.
Okay.
And then I went turning. This thing, the problem for me was turning. I kept clipping like and then when I went to the gas station, I didn't turn wide enough, and I got pinned up. Okay. You want to go this way? They have like, you want to go that way or that way? Okay. Yeah. Now, initially, when I got the location, I did a walkthrough, and the front entrance is like big, like sliding doors. So I knew the machine would fit through there with no problem. But once you get inside, where they wanted the machine placed, of course, the doors are much smaller. So I had the measurements of the machine, but what I was supposed to do was go back and actually measure the door space. But honestly, y'all, I forgot. With all of the delays and everything in between, honestly, I just forgot. I forgot to measure the space. And hopefully, I was praying that it would fit.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry. All right, good. Let's see. This way. The big doors. You want to take a break? Okay. Yeah, they slide open. Okay. Okay.
You want to go through the front?
Yeah? Yeah. Here, come. So this should be fine, right? So you're gonna come in and go through this way. Let's see. Well, this one and that door is these two are the same size.
Is bigger? Bigger?
Yeah, I think this might be the one.
Like this?
Is that hold on, but you gotta watch this. If you go this way, you can just
Mídele cuánto tiene aquí y mídele cuánto tiene allá.
okay.
So lesson learned, like this is my second location, first time picking up machines. When going to see a location for the first time, take a measuring tape, measure everything right then and there, even if you end up not getting it, because had that machine not fit through any of the doors, the people are waiting and it would have been even more of a stressful situation. But lesson learned, take your measuring tape and measure on the spot.
Watch the tree.
Hopefully they can get into the other door.
No, creo.
Tenemos que dar la vuelta, no.
No. Ponte ahí. Sí. Ahí va, sí. Pero toca trabajar, yo creo. Ahí sí. Un poco.
Right here.
Prueba la más, prueba la más, prueba.
Levantémosla.
Pruébala un poco más. Pruébala. Right there, right there.
Para sacar y hacer caminar. ¿Sí o qué? Ahí aflójale.
And then how often does it get filled?
Well, that depends on how often you know
Okay.
you go through the.
We have hungry people.
Okay.
So we let you guys know, is that, okay.
So
that
how
makes-
would it work? Can I just come in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya, sí, ahí sí. Sáquale ahí.
Yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna go through it quick, right? You think so?
Hay una tapadera ahí, va a caer ahí.
All right, so I'm gonna plug it up. I'll be back on Monday.
Okay, great.
Is that okay? You wanna plug it up for me? Hold on, let me get before you push it all the way back. You see the cord?
¿Desde el power?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sodas go on the bottom?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's what I.
Yeah. She said y'all wanted a combo over
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Combo's good.
Párale un poquito.
Huh?
Tab. You like tab.
Okay.
I know. What do you do, Coca, Pepsi, or?
Both.
Okay.
Yeah. I heard Coke is the thing around here. Is it like they go crazy over Coke over there? Okay.
Just stop.
That's gonna be here.
Go to be right your calls.
Maybe we can get cigarettes.
Yeah.
Para me poder mover.
Hopefully nothing jiggled out of place.
What?
I said hopefully nothing jiggled out of place.
Yeah.
But I'll be back. I'll be back on Monday.
Eso, ahí sí. Ahí sí, mándelo. Ahí. Ya, ahí sí le mandamos bien.
All right. Let me see. Let me see something. Let me ask you something. You see that one? It kind of unscrews. If you unscrew it and it comes down a little bit. Yeah? Let's see if it balances out.
Okay.
Falta un poquito.
Un poquito más para allá.
So you get just nothing with nuts.
Okay.
No nuts.
No nuts. Okay.
Yeah, a lot of allergies.
Okay, let me see.
Looks good, right?
Okay. Good?
Yeah, perfect.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. No problem. And where did the antenna go?
It's in the back.
Who's tall?
Chair?
Yeah. So we can put it. Is it in the back?
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
You see the antenna, the little.
There.
There it is. I see it.
Oh, let's see. Okay, yeah, just stick it on top. Yeah, that's good. I thought it was in the front. That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right.
Excellent.
So what's that?
All right.
Thank you so much. Have
No,
some
thank
rest.
you.
Get some rest.
I'm gonna try.
We'll see you Monday.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Safe travel.
Thank you. All right, so a little update. I am here at the second location with the combo machine. And everything is going good. I just finished stocking it up. So we did have to come in and get the reader connected to the building. So the wire goes down and goes in there. We were having some issues with the signal, which threw everything out of whack with the machine. But so far, so good. And they're happy. All right. And I always leave a little bit of treats on the table. And so that's it. I'm out of here. All right.
So if you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to check out the video of me delivering vending machines to my very first location. And I'm going to be back with some more insight, and hopefully I inspire somebody out there who's been wanting to start something to get out there and just do it. Just start. Nothing's going to go smoothly. Yeah, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Trust me, it's going to feel so good to be on the other side of starting. It feels good today to be on the other side of starting. I'm still learning, but I got over that mountain of starting, which can sometimes be hard.